Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and hope you're having a good weekend so far. And welcome to this daily update on Bitcoin, of course. There's enough to talk about. We've been quite bullish since yesterday. We already in the earlier in the morning, we already had that pump that broke us above 58,400, right? So we got that initial bullish momentum from the markets. But then in the evening, of course, we got that major news of the shooting at the rally with Trump. Which caused a dump initially and then a pump. And it's very easy to explain that. And the dump is basically the fear of people thinking he's dead, and it's major, which it is regardless. But that's something health-wise was very, very bad. And then it was relief that was not the case. And then it also, like purely politically speaking, it also increases the odds of him winning. By a lot, which is obviously bullish for crypto, and that's why we see some sort of a relief bump and then also a continuation. Although I must say, and we've said that before, yesterday we said that as well, if you look at the higher time frames here, we already, like the last week or so was already the first time in a long while that we actually did see some sort of bullish momentum and some sort of stability after a very ruthless downtrend, basically the entirety of June. So there was already some sort of a bullish foundation, although I must say that I wasn't too convinced about that foundation. If you think about the German selling, for example, but more things, the CPI data, for example, the result of that, and also the momentum we got based on that was still relatively weak. And what the main question is right now is that we've seen this before, all right? We have seen moves like this in the weekend before, and it's always a question that if a move happens in the weekend, there is a good chance that it reverses entirely in the Monday or the Tuesday after. So that is what we have to see right now, all right? What you see right now is that momentum is going up right here, as you can see. So we are actually seeing real bidding. So this is real, what you're seeing, that this bullish momentum. We also broke above this major trend line right here. I have to check what that is in a moment. But we also broke above a significant trend line right here. So purely technically, we are actually starting to look quite bullish here. But now in the next 24 hours, we need to see that confirmed. All right, we need to either see more bullish momentum come in, or I would say like the main resistance level is 60,000. If we're just able to stay on top of that level, I would say that's bullish as well, and then we can actually start to talk about going up again towards 62,000, 64,000, and potentially higher, but that's too early to say right now. And we actually get quite a lot of bullish momentum in the markets right now. But no, if I would have to give you my most likely my thoughts, I'm feeling quite bullish about Bitcoin right now. All right, and purely technically, like if we technically look at the price, we are in an uptrend with real momentum. So based on that, I would already say that that we're going to be bullish and that we will be able to get sufficient breakouts here to rally up to at least that 62,000 level. And then from there, we'll see again. But that historically was quite a strong resistance level. So that's what I do think is most likely. But that doesn't mean that I'm buying Bitcoin right now, right? So obviously, I hold quite a lot of Bitcoin, but I'm not buying or selling anything. And I would be still quite careful about the next 24 hours and what's going to happen in terms of volatility and in terms of potential bull and bear traps. All right. So those are my thoughts. I will keep you updated on this. I will probably in the middle of the day today make some sort of a middle of the day market update. So keep your eyes open for that. That's going to be valuable, hopefully. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.